Okay, here we are in the hills in Canary Islands, and a lot of the Canary people used to live in the caves, and this is a restaurant that's in the cave. It's pretty cool. Check it out. How's the food here, Mark?
That was pretty good. I was here the other night. It's only like 20 minutes drive from like the mainland where the airport is. You drive up into the valleys and you get into this cave restaurant.
Okay, I'll follow you.
Yeah, let's do it.
It's like carved out.
Or like little pictures of the past and
This is all these rooms are completely carved out of the cave.
oh, wait, this is the main area of the restaurant.
They've like carved out all these different rooms, huh? Pretty wild. Cool.